RBI says inflation is transitory. Whether RBI is right in comparing the inflation data of 2021 April to July with the inflation data of the lockdown period of the same months of 2020. Whether it is justifiable in the midst of rising poverty level, rising joblessness, falling income level, and rising government borrowings. Inflation pinches the pockets of savers and consumers. With rising inflation, rising joblessness, rising poverty, falling income level, rising government borrowings, rising government debts. All these jointly have impacted badly on the level of consumers' confidence and also on level of business confidence, which have brought down the private final investment expenditure and also private final consumption expenditure. On the falling credit growth rate of 6%. Here, RBI's data themselves expose the confidence level has fallen down drastically. In 2020 January, we see the consumers' confidence has remained 105% according to per data of RBI, which has fallen down by 55% of January 2021, which has further fallen down by 48% of July 2021. Further, business confidence level has also fallen down massively in the midst of huge liquidity and the lowest lending rate. This is the situation. Here, imported inflation has impacted badly on domestic inflation, where the wholesale price index has increased massively and it has increased above to 13%, while consumers' price index rate inflation has also increased above to 6% in recent months. Here, wholesale price index price rise means production side price rise. It means production cost has increased, while consumers' price index rate price rise means consumption side price has risen. It means the consumption demand crunch is existing in the economy. Here we see that in Indian economy, consumption demand crunch is existing. It means consumption demand has declined. And on this situation, the consumers' confidence as well as business confidence have also lost. And here, it is surprising that RBI has created or generated a huge liquidity as well as huge forex exchange reserve and at the lowest lending rate, where consumption demand has remained the lowest one, the lower one, where demand crunch is existing, business confidence has been lost. So in this situation, it becomes a serious matter over the RBI's confession, where RBI says that inflation is a transitory phenomenon. In the midst of weaker macroeconomic fundamentals, weaker sovereign credit ratings, weaker rupee, rising joblessness, rising poverty, falling income level, and rising government borrowings, government debt, along with falling GDP growth rate with increased currency in circulation, which has put pressure on the inflation, where inflation has been presented in a non-comparable data by RBI, where the lockdown period inflation data is being compared to the inflation data of 2021, where GDP growth rate has already not up to the mark. It is not increasing. And here, currency in circulation has increased massively around rupees 28.30 lakh crores, which has remained around 7.8 lakh crores after note ban in 2016 by or before monetization on 4th November 2016. So in this situation where currency circulation is rising and GDP growth is falling, where inflation is not on the version as RBI is claiming. RBI says inflation is transitory, but in the midst of falling GDP growth rate and rising currency in circulation certainly brought rising inflation, rising joblessness, rising poverty, rising or lowering income level. In this situation, inflation and wholesale price as well as consumer price index, inflation is not being or remain transitory in the midst of rising global commodity prices, rising crude oil prices, rising edible prices. So it is a doubtful matter where RBI is comparing the non-comparable data of lockdown period with the 2021 inflation data. So it raises doubt over RBI's presentation of non-comparable data, and it puts curtain on the truth, where truth is being hidden, and the truth don't come before the people. And it is the history of inflation that almost all commodities where these are rising, it is not called, it is a transitory. This is the situation of RBI. Thanks a lot of thanks to my viewers.